The next 2 years will decide whether your agency survives the next decade or becomes a cautionary tale someone else tells. 140,000 AI workflows were built inside HighLevel in 2025 alone. While you were reading about AI, while you were bookmarking YouTube videos about automation, while you were telling yourself, I'll start next quarter, first movers were already automating their entire agencies. Lead generation, sales, client onboarding, fulfillment, done, automated, running without them. I'm going to show you exactly what they built, exactly why you're behind, and exactly what you need to do right now. Let's go. The first mover data. Let's talk about what 140,000 workflows actually means, because I don't want this to be just a number you scroll past. When I look at HighLevel's 2025 adoption data, here's what stands out. It's not the headline number, it's the depth of adoption. The average agency that's been on HighLevel for more than 6 months isn't running one workflow. They're running 14. 14 active automations firing every single day. Lead capture, nurture sequences, sales calls, onboarding, fulfillment, client reporting, re-engagement, all of it automated. And here's the part that should be keeping you up at night. Look at the month-over-month growth curve. This isn't linear growth. This is an exponential adoption curve. The agencies jumping on this platform now aren't playing catch-up on flat ground. They are sprinting uphill while you're still lacing up your shoes. I warned you about the automation cliff. I said it in my AI predictions video. One day you're working normally. The next day AI systems are doing entire jobs. I told you it was coming. I want you to understand it's not coming. It's here. The cliff isn't ahead of us. We're standing on the edge of it right now. The question is whether you jump intentionally with a parachute you built or whether you get pushed. What first movers are actually building. Let me show you exactly what the first movers are building inside HighLevel. Not vague strategy, actual workflows, actual numbers. Workflow number 1, lead gen automation. TikTok comment to booked call. Zero human touch. Here's how it works. Someone comments on a TikTok ad, could be, how does this work? Or interested, or even just an emoji. That comment triggers a DM. The DM is handled by HighLevel's conversation AI. The AI qualifies them, asks about their business size, their biggest pain point, their timeline. If they qualify, it drops a booking link. They book. It's in the calendar. No human involved, not once. Before this workflow, one salesperson manually DMing 40 to 60 prospects a day, booking maybe 8 calls a week, burning out by Friday. After, the AI handles 200 to 300 conversations simultaneously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, booking 30 to 50 qualified calls a week. Return on investment, that's the equivalent of hiring 3 to 4 full-time SDRs at $4,500 per month each. That's $13,500 to $18,000 per month in labor costs. Replaced by one HighLevel workflow. Workflow number 2, client onboarding automation. New client signed to fully onboarded. 8 hours of manual work eliminated. When a new client signs a contract inside HighLevel, here's what automatically fires. A personalized welcome email goes out within 60 seconds. Not a generic template, an AI personalized message referencing what they signed up for. Then a branded onboarding portal populates with their specific deliverables. An AI voice call checks in 24 hours later. Hey, just making sure you got access to everything. Do you have any questions? Their project tasks auto-assign to the relevant team members. A Slack notification goes to the account manager with a full brief. 8 hours of onboarding work, automated every time, without fail. One of the agencies in my first movers community told me this single workflow gave them back 40 hours a month. That's a full work week. Every single month, handed back to them. Workflow number 3, fulfillment automation. The agency in a box. This one is the most advanced, and it's what separates the first movers from everyone else. A client submits a request, could be through a form, an email, a chat message. HighLevel's AI reads the request, categorizes it, routes it to the right internal workflow, generates a first draft of the deliverable using integrated AI tools, sends it through an automated approval loop, and delivers it to the client with a follow-up satisfaction check. Before client request, account manager reads it, assigns it, team member works on it, review, back and forth, deliver, invoice, average turnaround 3 to 5 business days. After client request, automated, deliver, average turnaround 4 to 8 hours. Before, fulfillment team of 6 at $3,500 per month average equals $21,000 per month in fulfillment labor. After, fulfillment team of 2, handling 3 times the volume. Labor cost, $7,000 per month. That's $14,000 per month back in margin, every month compounding. Why you're already behind? I need to say something that might sting, and I'm going to say it because I respect you too much to sugarcoat it. The agencies that automated 6 months ago don't just have a time advantage. They have a compounding advantage, and those are very different things. A time advantage means they got there first. Okay, you can catch up. A compounding advantage means they got there first, and every day since then, they've been optimizing, refining, collecting data, training their AI on their specific clients, building case studies, and lowering their operating costs while simultaneously delivering faster and better results. You can't just copy what they built today and be equal, because what they built today is version 14. You'd be starting at version 1. Here's what this looks like in the marketplace right now. Automated agencies are bidding 40% lower on client contracts than traditional agencies. Why? Because their fulfillment costs are 80% lower. They don't need to price in 6 people doing manual work. They can price in 1 person overseeing automated systems, and clients are noticing. I'm hearing it from agency owners across my community. Prospects are now asking, why doesn't your agency have 24/7 AI support? Why does onboarding take 2 weeks? The last agency I talked to can deliver this in 48 hours. Why can you? The expectation bar has moved. It moved while you were planning. The window is still open, but it's closing. Here's the part I actually want you to hear, because everything I just said is useless if it just makes you feel paralyzed. The window is still open. 140,000 workflows sounds like it's over, but it's actually not. You know why? Because 140,000 workflows means the playbook exists. It's documented. It's in the HighLevel marketplace. You don't have to invent anything. You just have to move. Here is the first mover strategy for late arrivers. 3 steps. No fluff. Step 1, don't build from scratch. Import. Go into HighLevel's template library right now. There are hundreds of pre-built workflows. Lead gen, onboarding, nurture, fulfillment. The first movers built these. They tested them. They made them work. You can import them in literally 1 click and start customizing for your business today. Step 2, start with 1 killer automation. Don't try to automate everything at once. Pick the one thing in your agency that costs you the most time or money. For most agencies, that's either inbound call handling or lead nurture. Deploy HighLevel's voice AI for inbound calls or conversation AI for lead nurture. Just 1. Get it running. Let it prove itself. Step 3, stack 1 workflow per week. Once your first automation is running, add 1 per week. In 90 days, you'll have 12 to 13 active workflows. You'll be competitive. You will have crossed the line from traditional agency to automated agency. The math is simple. Week 1, inbound call handling automated. Week 4, lead nurture automated. Week 8, onboarding automated. Week 12, fulfillment routing automated. 12 weeks from today, you're a different business. The difference between the agencies that win in 2026 and the ones that don't won't be who had the best idea. It will be who moved. If this video scared you, good. Fear is data. It means you see what's real. Now act on it. The link to start your HighLevel free trial is in the description. Go run the numbers. Import 1 workflow, start. And if you want my complete AI agency automation blueprint, the exact stack I recommend, the exact workflows to build in what order, the exact metrics to track, that's what First Movers Labs is for. Link is also in the description. One more thing, if you're watching this and thinking, I know I need this, but I don't know know where to start for my specific business, that's exactly what our consulting is for. HighLevel is a big part of what we implement with clients, and we've helped a lot of agency owners go from zero automations to a fully running system without the trial and error. You can book a free call at firstmovers.ai/consulting. The link is in the description. No pressure, just a real conversation about where you are and what's actually possible. I'll leave you with this. The automation cliff is here. Some agencies will fall off it. Some agencies will fly. The only difference is whether you built your parachute before you hit the edge. First movers win. I'll see you on the other side.